Kale. Look at Burundi.
Wanji?
Yeah? Oh, simu yange. Ode ne gumya ka.
Sebo. Madensa bakutula ka okudini sampulira bubi.
Owulira bubi. Nza kufunisa obuto ngame bya atwana kudinisa.
No.
Tomanya naawe. Muba ogule mulaka muganga gamba wakugulire iyo yo. Tomanya naawe nyito
Yes. Hello guys, how are you today? Mugamba mtya lero. How are you doing? Please share the live. Yes, hello, Mugamba mtya. Please share the live. And we get started. Hope everybody is good. So guys that are on Telegram, I'm going to end the Telegram. Please join us on either YouTube or TikTok. But I'll be answering your questions that are in the Telegram group. Yeah, so join us either YouTube, because I'll be illustrating some things from your questions. I'll be illustrating some of the things. So let us all go to either YouTube or TikTok. YouTube or TikTok. Then Telegram, I'll be sending audios for those that say I don't have data, what and what. Then you'll be able to rewatch the live. Okay. We shall also be able to rewatch the live here on YouTube. Yeah. So in case you miss out, we leave these lives on, so you can go back and rewatch. Okay. Yeah. So my people on Telegram, let's go on TikTok or WhatsApp. I mean, or YouTube. Yeah, any that works for you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, please share the live. Share the live. Invite in more friends. Like. Yeah, I'm seeing you. I'm seeing people here on YouTube at hope you're getting me clearly. Hope you're getting me clearly. Kansubire munfuna. Kansubire munfuna. Let me hope you're getting me. Let me allow in more people to come in. Those people that were on Telegram. Otherwise, I'm seeing Shizo, Smart Money. I'm a Ugandan YouTuber, started trading with random signals, but nothing works. Yeah, stay on. I'm going to tell you what may do what. Let's wait for a few more 2 to 3 minutes so that we get the numbers up. Then we start so that nobody misses out. So share the live. Share the live, please. Keep sharing the live. Keep sharing the live. Somebody share the live in the group for me. Somebody share the live in the group for me. Yeah. Then we do kick off. Share the live. Share the live. Go on now. Yeah. Yeah, you can either use TikTok. Yeah, so people that are in Telegram, you can either use TikTok or you can join on YouTube, because they allow us to do some illustrations where necessary. So yeah, we are waiting for you guys. We are giving you a few minutes to join the session. Yes, you're clear, boss. Okay, thank you. Fashion, thank you for the update. Let's share the live so that we start off at once, so that we don't get people asking the same questions yet we covered them already. So tell your friends to be, you do your part by sharing the live. Tell them to subscribe to the channel. Yeah, tell them to subscribe to the channel so that they can come once in a while. Yeah, keep the questions coming in. People on TikTok, we have not sent any questions as yet. I'm saying my people on Telegram. I mean on YouTube. I think you can clearly see. You can see the questions. I'll be zooming in here so that you also people here can see. People can see the comments on YouTube. Then we see. I'm going to start. I have many questions. I have already some I have already some in Telegram. People asked already, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back up there. I see the questions, and I'm going to answer them. The ones that people asked during day. So in case I skip your question, please do remind me so that you don't like miss out. So I believe I'm going to start now. I'm going to start now. Keep sharing the screen, guys. Here, keep sharing the screen. So I had my first question. That is on YouTube. Somebody asked, "Hello Hash, how do I do good layering of entries? How do I layer entries?" Now, if somebody is talking about layering, they are meaning adding in more positions in the already running positions. So how best can you add in positions? Now, we know that the market moves. We know that the market moves in such a way. Okay, we know that the market moves in such a way that if it is in a downtrend, it will go down, up again, down, up again, then down. So if you're a person, you're a trend trader, people that layer, of course, they are trend traders because you cannot layer. You cannot. I'd forgotten these people here. So somebody asked about layering entries. So I'm saying layering is adding in more positions. How do you best add in more positions? So I'm saying somebody that layers in more position, that person is a trend trader. That means they follow the trend. So I said that if the market is in downtrend, that means it is going to move in such a way. So if the market is moving in such a way, and you get your first entries somewhere here, it depends on how you get your entries also. So you're going to add in more positions like the way you got the first entry. So that trade for you to add in more positions. Let me say if you've been using 30 minutes for your confirmations, you get the first entry and you do enter. If those positions go into your direction, we know that that market moves ups and downs, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs. That means for you to layer again, you have to get the same entry point, like how you go to the first point. That means that market will still continue. It is not just a matter of you adding in positions. That's why sometimes you go in profit, you just add in the ones you've added, they just be there disturbing you in losses. So if you're to add in entries, the same way you got your first entry, that means is the same way you're going to get the second entries. So you can stick to the same time frame. If you can use the like, let me say, a higher time frame to get your first entries, then these ones you're adding in, you're going to use the lower time frames because for them they confirm every time. The 1 minute, the 5 minute, they'll be confirming to you now, then. So that is how best you can layer in trades. But your strategy has to be in line. You don't just go in profits and just start adding in. This is a game of making money, and you don't make money by chance. You make money by doing something you can do tomorrow the next day, the other day. So whenever I see that you've made money but you don't even know how you made it, that means it was a chance. So you have many chances of you losing that money the next day because it was a chance in the first place, right? Yeah. So I think that was my first question. It was on YouTube. Then I have my other question. Let me hope you guys are getting me loud and clear. Okay. Keep sharing the live. Share the live, please. You can also suggest on how we can improve these services, however free they are, but we want them to be rendered in the best way, right? So feel free to keep sharing, keep the comments coming in. Okay. Let me see. Somebody said talk about break and retest confirmations entries. Now, break and retest confirmation entries, that is the whole of the strategy that we are going to use. That you want the market to break out, it rotates, you get confirmations, then you get entries. You understand? That is a full strategy. Okay? That you want to know. So if you want to know the full strategy in details, mentorship is around. Come, you get started. Okay? Come, you get started. Hello, Hash. Hello. Wow, I love this dude. Thank you. Why do sometimes the spread increase and sometimes it decreases? Somebody's asking why does sometimes the spread increases and sometimes it decreases. So the spread is the work of the broker. The brokers are the ones that deal with the trend, like the spreads. So they are the ones that are in charge of setting those prices, the bid price and the ask price. Take an example. You people, you have your neighbor, and let me say you're both retailers. You're dealing in things like posho, maize, these normal things, and your neighbors, and you're dealing in the same things. So for you can sell your posho, you're saying my 1 kilogram of posho, I'm selling it at 5k. I bought it at 4k. Me, I'm going to buy it. I'm going to sell it at 5k. So you set your own price. So these brokers are going to set their own spreads depending on the conditions, so that they can also profit, because they profit from the what? The spreads. That's why people that trade zero spread accounts, they do have what we call commission. You pay commission to the broker. Okay. Yeah. So the spread is controlled by the broker. They can set the spread at any price they want, because that is how they also do benefit. Okay. Let us see. Guys, keep tapping the screen. Share. Share the live. Share the live, please. Share the live. Don't let your friends miss out. Okay. Share the live. Encourage your friends to come here, even if they don't ask, but they do listen. They do listen. Somebody will ask a question here, nga nawe chikukwatako. Oh, you've also been wondering. So I find it best if you do ask and also invite your friends. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Invite them. Unless you're all here, but you're spies. Spies. Okay. Tap the screen, people on TikTok. Then let's see. I'm going back on YouTube. What is hey chat boy, how are you? Boy, how are you? We are fine. What is the best leverage? Okay. Somebody is asking. Somebody is asking what is the best leverage or leverage. You know, in trading, what I know, there is nothing best. There is nothing best. There is no best average. There is no best capital to start with. There is no best time frame. There is no best time to trade. There is no best. There is no best nothing. The only thing that is best, or the only thing that should be best, is you, the trader. That's why our saying goes that be your best trader. Because when you're best, when you're your best trader, that means you'll know when to trade. You'll know not when to trade. You see, so it is you to be the best, not the market to be best for you. So, what I can say about leverage is if you use a high leverage, you're going to be subjected to getting more entries. A person that would have entered 5 entries on a $50 account, you may find yourself entering 10 positions. Okay, that is a high average. Then a person using a low average, you're somehow limited in the name of protecting you, not to blow your account. But still, you can also blow it. Doesn't mean that if you use a low average, you're not going to blow the account. You're going to blow it in the long run. That's if you don't know what you're doing. So, leverage, you're going to use a high leverage in case you want to get more opportunities on, let me say, a smaller account. Even if it is a bigger account, you can use it. If you say no, I cannot control myself, I can want to add in every time I'm adding in, even if the market is not confirming I am adding in, then use a low average. Okay, so nothing is like best that use 1 to 2. No. You can use any. As I've said, you just have to be your best trader. That yes, I'm using a high average, but I'm not going to over risk. Yes, they can allow me to use to put in 10 trades, but we are going to put in 3. That is how best you can be, instead of you looking for the best average, which does not exist. Right? Okay. Boy. One-on-one mentorship, please. Yes, mentorship is available, but I personally teach online. I don't do meetings. So if you want to be mentored by me, that means you have to be okay with that it is one-on-one. And if I'm to combine, I don't combine a lot of people. So, is it Kenny? Kenny asked about one-on-one mentorship. Yes, but it is strictly online, right? It is strictly online. That is Zoom. Daily classes until you're better. Chaboy. So commuting. First unmute you. Ovuze ku bantu. Ovuze ku gwanga mujje.
Banga Mujje. Hi guys, how are you?
Yeah.
King Ronnie.
We are good.
Kenny the Don, Hashim, Karim, Shadi, Anthony World Bank, Mukasa Isaac, then King. How are you guys doing? I hope you're good. I hope you're all good. And you're having a fantastic evening.
Yeah, we are doing great. We are fine.
I think I wanted to say something, but then I'll say it at the end of the live.
Hey, let
Yeah,
them
King
see.
Ronnie, go ahead and shoot your question.
We are just starting. So I do have many questions here on YouTube. Let me get back to them as you, I think you can read, you can do see the questions, chat boy, right? Question of Zala.
I can.
Okay. Okay. So somebody is saying this is just like is saying is in Uganda, is I'm a Ugandan YouTuber, started trading with random signals, but nothing works. Nothing works. Any solution for that? I had promised him something. Now I don't know if you're still on. That is just lake. Just lake. Somebody is talking about signals that he has tried everything, signals, and nothing works. Now, trading, as I've said in my previous statement, it is due to be your best trader. You'll never get best signals, you'll never get best anything. So, you drop the signals, go and learn. Learn how to trade yourself. That is the most important thing. You'll buy and buy and buy and buy and buy and buy signals, but you can be profitable, but you cannot be consistent. Right? You can be profitable, but you cannot be consistent. There's a difference between profitable and consistent. Profitable, you can make money today, you blow the whole money the next day. You're profitable, but you're not consistent. So, Kendo Some, go and learn. Muve mu by'okwagala shortcut. Don't we as we usually say that don't look for a shortcut in a shortcut. Trading is like a shortcut to earning some money. So if you want to get a shortcut in a shortcut, then you're being unfair to yourself. So as I usually say, you drop those things of signals, you're buying signals in groups, you're looking for account management, you're looking, sit down and learn. As we give analysis on YouTube, we trade together. Why do we do this? Not to show that we know, or not because we don't have what to do, but we do want you guys to see that yes, there are some losses, but there are also some good days. Then you will see where the money comes from. So since kusindikira busindikisa kintu boo, sell gold, stop loss, you don't even know how many pips are those. Go take a move days. You have a $10 account, but they have given you a signal of stop loss of about 40 pips, and you're trading gold. You think you can survive that? You cannot. So, guys, let's not look for shortcuts in the shortcut. Every shortcut is a long cut. Every shortcut is a long cut. So, go and read. Again, also, look for mentorship. If you want to do self-education, then be willing to put in. You're not going to make money in trading if you're not willing to put in. Even if you do self-education, even self-education does require money, because you'll trade the demo and you see it was working, you go live, then things are not working out. So either get mentorship, work on yourself, leave the social media noise, and avoid being in very many groups. You're in like 20 groups. You have your trade. You want to trade GU. You want to enter buy. Then the group sends sell. So you'd sell. You trust somebody else with your money. You know, trading a thing is like trusting somebody else with your money, right? So at least lose when you're the one that has taken the initiative of taking or knowing why we are taking that trade. That's why we do it live. Those people that know our strategy, you know that, okay, yes, we have entered, even if we hit stop loss, because we do know how the market moves. Okay, you will just see how things are moving, and you'll be knowing. So I guess all you need to do is work on yourself as a person, reduce on the groups you're in, concentrate on yourself, get mentorship if possible. Yeah, give it time. Have targets. Kimu kijja kutambulira bulungi. Right? Yep. Okay. I hope the person of signals has been answered. Person of signals has been answered. Talk of timings, sir. Talk of timing sessions. Are they important? Talk of timing sessions. Are they important? Now, Samson, talk of timing. Like, you want to time when the session is active. The question is not that clear. I would love you to ask it with more clarity so that I can answer you accordingly. If you're still on Samson, you're on YouTube. Yeah, people on TikTok. Let me see. Where did I stop? I have a question. What do you give for one? What do you give for one roses? I don't understand. What do you give for one roses? Don't understand. You want to take me for Valentine? I give you chat boy. Chat boy. Someone wants to take you for Valentine. Somebody is taking you for Valentine. Would you advise somebody to focus on one pair? Help me with that, bro. Would you advise somebody
King
to focus on
Ronnie,
one pair?
yeah, I would definitely advise anybody out there, like before you go ahead and trade like maybe more than two pairs, at least first try to focus on one so that you're able to master the ins and outs of that particular pair. It's like you going to school, but then you're only studying one subject. What do you expect? You expect to
You'll only
learn, to know each and everything about that particular subject that you're studying. So it's the same thing when it comes to trading. At least if you would, at least for maybe like 3 months or more, like if you do have interest in a certain pair, go for it. Give it some time, learn the ins and outs. You're going to definitely know a lot about that pair than you trying to trade like 20, 15, 10 pairs at the same time. So I'll definitely recommend if you do try it out. Yeah, why not?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So focus on
Then
one pair.
then also
Focus on a few pairs.
is it Samson? It was like talk of timing sessions. Are they important? Yeah, they are important because that's when you're expecting volume to be in the market. So it's really also an important aspect, especially if you're an intraday trader. Yeah, timing them is definitely worth it as well. Owa Roses
Yep.
ye tetumutegeera simanyi kyategeeza.
Oba atunda roses ku TikTok, I don't know. I think so. Bro, I don't know if you're selling roses. I don't know what you mean, but let's talk Forex. Right. Thank you. Yes, clear balls. When I buy market go down, and when I sell market goes up. What should I do? That means they are seeing you, eh? You buy it goes up, you sell it goes down. So, this is Shani Rana. What you need is a strategy, right? Because for you, I think you see one candle, it is selling, then you sell. You see another one buying, then you buy. You see? So what you need is a strategy. Seek for mentorship. If not, sit down on your drawing board, see how you can get a working strategy for yourself. Yeah. Are there funding companies in Uganda? And if yes, any link? Funding companies in Uganda, not sure. I'm not sure of any. Yeah, I'm not sure of any. I am not sure of any. I don't know if they are. I'm also still ignorant about that. Don't know if they are funded companies based in Uganda. Yeah, but you can start one. Laudaki, is it? Uh, Bro, are there funded companies in Uganda? Yep.
Hash,
Yep.
you're asking me?
Yeah. I think
The
there's an
I
you
don't
they,
think there are any. And
you don't.
even if they are, we don't have a body that does regulate such as yet in Uganda. So if there are no regulations, then why should I trust it? That's the thing.
Okay, so we don't have companies as yet.
Yeah, you can go by those that are already running, the ones that are having a good repetition. Try out those.
Somebody's bro, which internet provider do you use and which plan? I'm using fiber network and I'm charged monthly. Yeah, so look out for the fiber networks. There are very many plans: 500k, 1M, to 200. Yeah, depends on the speed you want. Depends on the speed you want. That is just like so. I'm using a fiber network that you pay monthly. I don't buy these normal MBs. Mr. Hash, how do you identify tradable pullbacks? How do you identify tradable pullbacks? How do you identify tradable pullbacks? Okay, there are things that are called. Let me show you. There is something called. Let me say an imbalance. Somebody can call it a gap. Somebody can call it whatever you want. So we know that the market has to break, retest. We know that the market has to break, retest. So where the market does not retest, it is a possible tradable pullback. That we know that the market will get back to that point, but we don't know when. So strategy yekweyimirira. Strategy yekweyimirira. That yes, you know that gap has to be filled, but you don't know when. But if it starts showing you signs that I'm going back to that point, yeah, then that's when you should do the tradable pullback. Then you get them based in lower time frames. Yeah, in lower time frames. So now TikTok. Okay. What exactly is a trading plan? What exactly is a trading plan? Uh, a trading plan. You know, anything that is called a plan. Nenyumba in a plan. Everything they first do, they first bring out a plan. How you're going to do that thing. If you want to build a house, it has to have a plan. Nti ligenda kubeera ddiro likufumbiro wano bimuli, you get, that is a plan. So when you add on trading plan, how are you planning for your trades? Now the planning starts from the entries. How are you going to enter your trades? Number one, how are you going to react, or how are you going to overcome in case you've made a loss? So your plan should have losses, that if I do a loss, I'll have this amount of money. I'll either reduce my risking, or I'll stop risking too much. You see, you have to put something that ekigenda okukuyamba. Okay, the product is no longer available. Why is my live off? Is my live off? Let me see. Yes, it is on. Sure. Okay, I was saying that this is so now you want a trading plan. I'm like, a trading plan is going to help you in very many things. Now, let's say you've set a plan of how much you want to make daily. That means if you make that amount of money that you want to make daily, you don't need to stay in the market. However greedy you may be, you make sure you follow the plan. You see, the plan is going to help you stay consistent, and it is also going to help you not to give up in this game, because a trader that doesn't have a plan is you'll find yourself suffering too much if you don't have a plan. So you can simply, how can you come up with a plan? Now mine, simply in a few words, my plan, I want to know how much I want to make daily, and I want to know how much can I lose in case things go wrong daily. How much can I lose on a possible setup? Okay, so I know what I want to lose in case things go wrong, that I want to lose 100 USDs. I take my first trades. I'll say the first trades I'm risking $50, so that I get another opportunity. In case eneganye, I'll get another opportunity. If I try that opportunity also and it still fails, then I'm calling it a day, because my plan says if you lose $100, stop there. Why do I have that? Because if I keep on trading, then my emotions are going to kick in. We all have emotions. Teri trader kulimba nti ye simanya neighbor mukuwa what those things. These emotions are going to kick in. Zijja kutandikwa oyagale okumalaga trading. Are you not going to follow your plan because of the loss you've made? So make sure that at all costs you have a plan and follow that plan, because that plan is going to save you a lot of things. Have you ever been there? You've made your money because you don't have a plan, or you've followed your own analysis, your own trades. No gain no funayo, you get what? No gain no funayo signal, you wait out, then you're in some group and they drop a signal, and you follow that signal and you lose everything you had made. Nice thing in a plan that if I make this money, I'm out. Your plan is saying, I'm not trading signals. Okay? I'm not trading signals. Then know the pair you're going to trade. Know your pairs, that me, I'm trading GU. I'm trading GJ. Okay? I'm trading GJ, I'm trading GU. You understand? Those things. So A plan is like a set of rules that you're going to put up that suits you. Kwakati nsobola kugamba I can give you my rules nga tojja kuzisobola. Either nga they are too hard on you or ng'oziraba ate tezikolera. So it is you to set your own rules in these crazy markets. If you don't have rules, then you don't have money. If you don't have money, you cannot survive the markets for long without kufuka mufere. Okay? Yeah. Kathy Trust. Hey, it's my first time here. You're welcome, Kathy. You're welcome. We are here with Funaka TV. Yeah, Funaka TV akirire tumukulukute. Hope you've got sona about the trading plan and the rest. Let me see. Bro, do you have anything to say about the plan? Top best blocker you recommend? Top best recommend? Eh? Top best brokers you recommend for low earning Ugandans? For low earning Ugandans, all brokers do have small deposits. You just have to get that one blocker that suits all that you see is legit. Okay? That you see is legit. Me personally, currently I'm using Xness. So I don't use any other blocker. You know, as we said, you just have to be your best trader, making decisions like search. Which blocker do I use? Which leverage do I use? Which pair do I use? Which pair do I trade? You see? And these things of recommending blockers, just because we are lazy, but these things are all available on the internet. Also, okay, on ratings, you go to Gambikati, you're downloading Xnex, you see how people are commenting on it. It has been in existence for some time. Yeah, everybody knows Xness now. You see? So, wachimbangina nechesimanyi ekipya oba ekirala. And me, as long as I'm earning money with Xness, then I don't need to get many blockers for what? My question is, when I try to use big money, I lose a lot. But with small accounts, I can make some money. Thanks. My question is, when I try to use big money, I lose a lot. But with small accounts, I can make some money. Now, this is what your mind is telling you, that if you have too much money, you're going to make too much money. So you risk too much and you risk too much. That is that simple. You want to make a lot of money because you think a lot of money is what makes money. You understand? So it is the mindset now that is disturbing you. It is the mindset. Any money, any account is a small account, depending on how you use it. All accounts. Okay? All accounts are small accounts. Depends on how you use those accounts. I may have my $1,000. Let me say, nze big account. But somebody else is seeing their 1,000 as a small account. The other one may have $100 account. What makes that $100 account a small account? It is the lot size you use or how you risk that account. Because there your $1,000 account, you can lose it in just a few because you've used very big lot sizes and you lose it. So all accounts are small. Now that goes back to our plan. Need to have a plan. Yes, nascent nyingi, but I'm going to make this amount of money. Don't let money confuse you. Don't let money give you that false confidence. Don't let money give you that false confidence that if I have 100 USDs, 100,000 USDs, I have to make 1 million USDs every day. No, you're going to subject that account to big lot sizes. So you're making it a small account because you're going to risk it so big, which makes it a small account. And keep it in mind. If you want to make money, you want to make a lot of money, that means you're going to lose a lot of money. What you want to make is what you will lose, most probably. Okay? Most probably. Yeah. So that is with the Tony Tricks Tech. Tony Tricks, you're a person of tricks. And by the way, if you can make some command on the smaller accounts, then just compound those smaller accounts. Do what is best for you. Be your best trader. Don't look for something that is best. It is you that should be best. Be your best trader. Where you make money is where you should stick. Totagana. So find a way of you seeing how you can make money on those small accounts consistently. Small amounts amount to a big amount eventually. Right? Eventually. Ja boy.
Wanji,
Go see this.
Wendy man.
Hey Nickens. So
Yeah,
somebody is asking
TBS broker even gives bonus on every deposit. Olaba hash, eh? Anyway, cancel. Cause nze kale nsobola obuuzaayo abaana bano ekibuuzo kimu. If a broker is giving you bonuses on every deposit, how do they earn then? Omuntu ogamba nti you're giving me like 100% deposit bonus, what and what. Then how are you earning the money? Hash omanyi kyekitegeeza n'oteekako nnusu lukumi ne nkwongerako nnusu lukumi. So of course mba nina ofuna engeri gye nfunamu ssente zange. So be mindful about things that do entice you a lot. Be mindful a little bit. Kandabe ekibuuzo kye nsobola okuddamu. Which time frame do you use? Bakubuuza hash.
YouTube. Those ones are still new. Let me get you one of YouTube. Let me give you one for YouTube. My question is, Mr. Hash, how is the going? Appreciate, thank you. That is Tumsime Rollins. Here to appreciate you, father of small accounts. Thank you. Babuma Charles, Mpulira Uncle. How do you identify opportunity? Strategy. You have to get a criteria of things you follow. Go kufuna trade. Okay. We are on lifestyle. Thanks, Ronald. Thanks, Hash Forex, bro, for the great work. I'm new, but so far I haven't a hint on Forex, though your guidance, unlike other traders who claim to be mentors, yet they can't even help you with simple process. Yeah, we are different. We are different, brother. So I cannot say everybody can be like me. Even me, waliwo abatanjagala, waliwo abatayagala chat boy, waliwo abatayagala gundi. So we are different and nobody is perfect, right? So in this world, you just need to hang on those people you see that will move you forward. That's all I can say. Takuwa vibe gy'oyagala. You don't need to kwesiba ku muntu. Nobody has your success in their hands. Nobody. Nti woba tozze wa hash, you will never succeed. No. Osobola ogendewo omulala ate no succeeding. So don't let anybody demotivate you nti we studying nono sejja kukikola. Oyo mwesonyiwe. Look for people that are going to elevate you, people that are going to help you, people that are going to, you know, hey, people that are going to do understand. That's what I can say. Though everything payment a view that also paid for mentorship, and it's the reason why I'm soon coming for mentorship. Yeah. Now the mentors, me what I can say is yes, paying them is okay, but what are you paying for? Because I would advise you to pay for knowledge. That should be your first priority. Knowledge. If it's the mentor, omwegomba, akolera bulungi, ebintu omulaba kiriya, you pay for him. Akusomese. Because really, teaching for free is also not, is somehow hard. It gives hard time. Tuba neyokola. Then also free things, there's a way you people don't value a lot of things. Now you see, this thing is free. We do lives free, but you're going to find we have 30 people watching, 20 people watching. Now things that are paid, you overvalue them. Ogamba olaba nti sasulidde, that means kyekisinga, but you end up still nowhere. So value for your money. Let me see. So Ronald, yeah, we shall be glad to have you under our mentorship. Goloba, thanks. I appreciate. I'm finally here. Yeah. Big Shot Forex is asking, how do you use YouTube? Let's first pause the YouTube. We go back to Chatboy here. Chatboy, Momwana Akugambi. Hash. I have failed to monitor myself when backtesting my strategy. I have failed to monitor myself. Nickens, I don't know what you mean. You failed to monitor yourself, like, as in, you failed to monitor yourself when backtesting. Sikitegedde bambi. Okitegedde gwe Chatboy. Somebody has failed to monitor themselves when they are backtesting. Chatboy.
G?
Somebody is saying, so Nickens, you modify your question.
He says that what?
He's saying he has failed to monitor I've failed to monitor myself when backtesting.
Monitor myself while backtesting. To monitor
I've
myself.
not understood what is
Oh, maybe I would advise that you do take notes, not just you going through the charts and say like, yeah, I'm backtesting. You taking notes, I think it's the best way that you can take track of yourself and whatever that you're doing as you backtest. So look more to taking a little bit of journal of the proceedings as you make them. That will help you track out everything.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Let me
Pound Mr. Hash Dwasinga. Thank you. Bro, I don't want to last longer in the market, what is the best time frame? You don't want to last longer in the market. What do you advise somebody that doesn't want to last longer in the market? You're going to use small time frames, of course, and also you have to know when your pair moves best. Ntinze GU yange njibaza ku ssaawa 4 etera okukola moves ogyeko kwezi essaawa. Apply your strategy, get your entries, and do trade. That is global. Yeah. So omanye when your pair moves best, ogenda kimanya otya. Be on the chart. So kojiwemu obudde olabe ng'ogamba gunjo netambula ddi. Olabe waliwo essaawa zejja oba ng'ekola same thing, same time. Yeah. Ojje nga kwezi essaawa. Because I know a question will be, when do I know when my pair moves? When? Which is unfair to ask me right now. Yet the markets are there. No, the markets are the best teacher. The markets are the best teacher. Yes. So anything to add on? How best can somebody that doesn't want to last long in the markets?
Yeah, it's really you gave the best response, bro. You gave the best
Alright.
response.
How do you confirm a breakout? How do you confirm a breakout? You don't confirm, you just see it breaking out. You don't confirm. You don't need to worry, will it break out? Will it just wait for it to break out? And wait for it to retest so that you don't do false breaks. So, things that you can't know. Will it break out? It may or it may not. Your job is to wait for it to break out. The other thing, is it a false breakout or it is a good breakout? Wait until it retests. That means if it goes back in, that was a false breakout. If it reacts on that zone, it may be a good breakout. So, I get that question so a lot. How can I know that it is a false breakout? Even before it has happened, you cannot know that it is going to be a false breakout. It has to first happen. You don't need to be ahead of the markets. You have to follow your boss. Baguma, bro, you skipped my question. How do I know? Oh, sorry. Where did you type it? Oh. Okay. Oh, I've missed some questions. Sorry, up here. Florence. Okay. Yeah. I'm coming back. Coming back to those questions. Let us see. Do I have some in people here? Do I have some people? Aka, Nafa. This man also. So, guys saying, Baguma, how do I know the amount I'm risking as how much I lose per pip if the trade goes against me? I illustrate this thing always here on the live, Baguma, that if you have a PC, you can simply know how much you're going to use. Then, if you know how to calculate pips, the prices, then though that will disturb you so much. The simple way is you going to your, let me get
incoming mail.
I see if I can show you this today. So Baguma, I'm going to see, let me see if I have any account on. I get Bitcoin. Okay, I get Bitcoin. how you can know what you're going to lose, what you're going to lose, what you're going to lose, what you're going to lose. Where's my trading platform? So as the trading platform comes, let us be going on these other questions. Yeah, people on TikTok, I'm not seeing you asking questions. Move them to gain. Move them to gain, but the bank card is best method. Over there is another one. Bank card. You can use mobile money. Yeah, you can use mobile money. You can use Bitcoin. That is, you can use Bitcoin. You can use perfect money. But the easiest is mobile money if you're in Uganda, if you're a Ugandan resident. You can use mobile money, then you transfer to your bank. Because the bank sometimes takes longer for the withdrawals to drop. But eventually they will do come. So, Rollins, hello Mr. Hash, help me explain briefly between carry, trade risk, and Rollins. Chatboy.
Yes.
Kino ngenda kukikuwa. Manyizi what? Trading scientist. Banima. Florence is asking a question here. This one. Read it.
Explain briefly between carry trade risk and carry trade criteria. I don't know about that.
I don't know about that. So Florence, you know, we usually say here we do keep things simple. So you may be using words and you're just confusing your own self or your what you really did deco. Now kutisa carry trades, carry criteria, but it will be meaning something very simple. Oja kusanga oli agamba wait for the trade to do a correction. Nokamba oba ategeeza ki? Kumba ategeeza pull back. So nogenda n'onoonya oba bitegeeza ki? Yes, it is good to know, but too much information is also not good. Yeah. So carry trade risk and carry trade criteria. I think that one we shall do some research. I don't know about it. They see us like every time.
I wanna ask Chatboy how often does he stay in the market? Is it full day or just hours? It depends. By the way, Hash, whatever some people ask, Chimera Frank, your question is good. And basically, if you take a trade, you never know how that trade is going to perform. You don't know if it's going to be a runner. You don't know if it's going to move up, then come. You never know.
Yeah.
You never know. So
probably.
It depends on the opportunity that the market presents to you on a particular day, particular hour, particular week. You might hold a trade that is going to run you might end a trade that is going to run for a month. You might end a trade that is going to run for a full day. You might end a trade that is not going to even last like an hour or 15 minutes. So it all depends, right? Most of the times, I've been talking to an individual today, and I told him that even after learning, the way I want you to think is you have to have an open mind. You can't cram trading. You can't. This is an art that you have to really understand. And you have to be able to adapt to the changing market conditions. Because if you do stay in these markets for some good time, you're going to realize that the way markets moved last year, it's definitely going to be changing a little bit the way they are moving currently. You get the point? Um,
Yeah, man.
since the year began, it's like when you look at gold, maybe you can see like it only presented one good day of trading out of the whole week. You get the point? So markets change depending on the global themes sometimes. So there is no way you're going to cram and say I'm going to stay in a trade for 1 hour. Why do I say so? You might impose yourself and say I have to only be in a trade for 1 hour. You move out of the trade, it runs for the rest of the year. You get, yeah. So be versatile, have an open mind of thinking, and trade the markets in real time. Trade what you're seeing, not what you think, not what you think is going to happen, but trade what you see the market printing out for you on the charts. Thank you so much, Chimera.
Yeah. And I think the right question to ask is how long do you stay in the market while looking for a trade? Nti bw'onajja ku makya nga tonnafuna trade, how long will you stay? Onaabirako kuva ku makya paka lwegulo paka wonaafuna trade, oba ogenda kujja mu time yo onoonye trade and you do what? You go off if it doesn't show. So me I can say about that is just like as Chatboy has said, things market do vary. You don't know when you may enter trading goals again kuwerawo nekuwa lweggulu. You just have to know that when zijja at this time, I'm going to look for a setup within this time. Nti when mba nze ku ssaawa 4 and I be on the charts paka ssaawa nga 8-7, you may first chill, then maybe come back later. Because sometimes jokonwera ku chart knows to know you may start forcing trades which are not ready. So I think time ebeera wali ng'onoonya trade before you execute. Then after you execute, oba omazeemu lunaku oba mwezi, that will be up to you. Yep. Okay, let us get back to the questions. Let us see. Bro, tujimaze. I love your content. Thanks. Okay. Madde njagala kulaga Baguma, sorry. I had prepared him something here. He's on so this is Bitcoin. So I want to know how much I'm going to make and how much I'm going to lose. Ngenda kufiirwa mmeka ate ngenda kukola mmeka. So I'm going to just take a buy just for the illustrations. So we now twala this buy. This buy is going to be executed, right? So you can take profit here for ebeera above, stop loss ebeera below. So if I go on this order and I drag upwards, waneno kunsonda, people that are TikTok, I know if you're seeing, they're showing you, will take a TP1 at these points, you'll make 0.67 cents. Kitegeeza take profit yo. Market wetambula netuuka awo, zezo sente z'ogenda okukola. Remember, the more you put it higher, that means the more points you want it to move. That means the more pips you're willing to make. Same thing as stop loss. When I drag below, they are going to tell me, when I drag below, they are going to tell me how much I'm going to lose. So you're going to lose these cents if you put your stop loss there. Okay? They'll do tell you that is MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4. If you don't know how to use them, we have a video about that. Go on this YouTube channel, look for introduction to Forex, Hash Forex. We showed you how to use those platforms. Hope you have seen Baguma. That's how you can know how much you're going to lose and how much you're going to make. Okay? Hope we are good. Hope we are good. Okay. Let me see. Cuts is like, how do I do trend lines, support, resistance, supply, demand zone? Okay, how do you draw support, resistance, whatever? Now, drawing support, supply, demand, what? You have two tools to use. You have horizontal lines, you have those rectangles, those objects. You're going to use those objects the way you want, anyhow you want them. So, let me see. Where is my trading view? So I'm going to illustrate how you can draw those things. So somebody can use a rectangle. Okay, somebody can use a rectangle, just like there. These things. This is an object you can find on Metas, TradingView, everything. So you're going to consider putting a rectangle on the body, covering the wicks too. Then somebody that is using the horizontal line, you're going to consider using. You're going to consider putting the line on the body, those candle closes. That's how I do it. Somebody else can put them at the wicks. Somebody else can put them at the bodies. You may consider the body because I consider the body to be the strongest support or resistance. As you hear wicks, those ones are weak. So they have small chances of supporting the market back, or they have small chances of resisting the market back. So you can use that information to draw your support and resistance, supply demand zones, whatsoever. Uncle Hash, you want to cut your words away. You're welcome. Thanks, Jack Boy, because me, I can spot a long-term trade, maybe for hours. Okay. Uncle Hash, you want. Okay. So that one we have seen also. Baguma have answered you. Cats have answered you. Thanks. I really follow up. Hash, how long have you been trading? And when did you get breakthrough? Plus the equity you started with. Do you apply SMC in your strategy or other retail concepts? I simply do support and resistance, breakout and retest. That is all. I don't put any chemistry or science in trading. Trading is already hard. I don't need to make it hard for myself, pumping in a lot of things. The more you make something hard, the more it is going to be hard on you. So I keep it simple. Support and resistance. Many dislike saying the strategy they use, saying using support and resistance. People see it as easy, but that easy thing is so powerful you cannot imagine, because it is price action. We are dealing with what price does. So as long as I am dealing with price movements, then I know I'll be right. Okay, one-on-one mentorship possible, and how much could it be? Yes, it is possible. Go and you WhatsApp me, okay? We shall talk about it. That is Jera. Yeah, hey Forex, that is Central Forex Community. Hey, how are you, man? How many major pairs do you trade? I only trade 2 pairs, GU and GJ. I don't care about the rest. If GJ doesn't give me, GU doesn't give me, that is not my trading day. I'm not going to jump onto other pairs. Okay, specialization is something good. No work is in the somero. They are going to tell you, you're going to specialize. Yotoka mu senior one, no so maybe notoka, you drop some, keep on dropping. So even you as a trader, worker, they're going to start with very many what? Very many sorry, very many pairs. So you're going to start with many pairs. I remember by the time I started, we used to do about 18 subjects in senior one. But things you started dropping, then you see which ones you can manage. So you're going to start with very many, but keep dropping. You can stay at 3, at 2, at 1. Yeah, they are fair. 3, 2, 1. Then if it is one pair, now go take data in and out. That even when you sleep, you know how you left it. That is the best thing you can do. Do you believe in hedging while trading? News? Well, I don't hedge, so I don't advise on something that I don't do, or yeah, I don't advise on things that I don't do. I've never tried out. Yeah, hedging is so risky. Hedging means that you have a sell trade, it may be in losses, you see the market buying, you buy. It's risky. May I want something that I can depend on daily. Okay, so hedging is more risky. I don't do it. Trade ebeganye. Sit down, pay mamaza ate simanya hedging. But people do use it. If you know it, no problem. Me, I don't do it. So guys on YouTube, seeing the questions over. The questions over. The questions. How many pairs that one have answered? Guys on TikTok, brother, what do you say about trading with the prop farm and the pro? It is very fine. It is very okay. It is very fine. But then, prop farms togenda you because you've seen that they are going to give you a big account. Yeah, they are going to give me an account of 1,000 US. They're going to give me 100,000 USDs. No gamba. No. Remember, in the beginning, I said every account is a small account, depending on how you use it. Get funded when you already know how to trade. You're consistent, you're disciplined, and you have a plan. You'll be a success in funded. But if you're this person that is looking at money, hey, baja kumpa account nene so that I trade, blah blah blah. You're going to lose those accounts, as many as you can, because you're looking at you're getting it wrong. Looking at a wrong, you're getting the wrong perspective of it. It is not about money. It is, can you be consistent? Do you have a strategy? Can you follow rules? those are prop firms, but they are going to trade. You can get funded. Very fine for you to get funded. Yeah, very fine to get funded, bro. Okay. Hope I've not skipped any question. What's needed to be my best trader? Mentorship, knowledge. What do I need to be my best trader? You need to learn. So if you chose mentorship, that means for mentorship, they are going to tell you how to trade, and that is how you're going, and that is what you're going to focus on, and that's the first step to your success. That means now you're going to start fighting the human nature in you. Sorry. You're going to start fighting the human nature in you, the greed, the what. You know, the human nature in you can disappoint you so much. A person that was making money, you make a loss, then the emotions come all over you. You start blaming the strategy. You end up even going back to YouTube to learn something new. Yet, losses do happen, as profits also do happen. Don't judge yourself on just a few losses. Totunuulira loss ye yaleero n'ogamba, oh, nice China kyemmanyi. They have really beat me hard. Don't judge yourself just on one trade, 2 trades, 3 trades. At least judge yourself after losing consistently for some good time, losses for some good time. But just one loss, no, you can do better, because we do lose. We do lose sometimes. Now we are still thinking. You're still thinking. Hey, you think of the questions. Me, I'm here. I'm here for you. I don't know if you'll ever be here for me also. I think I've ever been here for you guys. Not so? You have ever been here for you guys. Each time, friends. So somebody is saying enjoying from somebody enjoying thanks mentor, but I've never had bro hash mouths. You want to hear bro hash mouths? You go on YouTube, you'll come in and say hi. You'll come in when we are ending. Or you can also pose some questions for him. I'll call him to answer for you guys. He's available. He's very available. You go on YouTube, you'll hear him. If not, I can put him on. Let me see if I can put him on. We pose him some questions. So those that want to talk to Hash, run on TikTok right now. I'm going to bring him on. Talk to him. Hash Miles. You want to talk to Miles? You go on TikTok. I'll bring him. Momoboze go very. You want to talk to Hash? Genda ku live ku TikTok. sorry. Oh, sorry. I've been talking. Asimani, that thing is on mute. So somebody is asking. I joined a bit late. Do you scale from higher time frame to lower, or you just um, trade 15? Now, me, that top-down analysis is okay. But me, what I do is I stick to that one time frame. It is going to tell me everything I need to know. That one time frame I'm going to trade. It is going to tell me what I want to know. So me, I'm sticking to one time frame. What is needed to be my best trader? Mentorship? Yes. You've asked these questions. If you need mentorship, come and we teach you. You'll be your best trader. Hi everyone. Hi, father of small accounts. Somebody's saying. So, I think who? Yeah, at the end we shall invite people as usual here to say something. At the end, we shall invite people to say something if you do want. You understand? Hey, boy, what's up with your with your what? With your network. Yep. So, still waiting for new questions. The old ones are already old. So I need some new ones. I need some new questions because I'm here. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep sharing the lives, YouTube, TikTok. Remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Recommend friends. Let's us learn together. Sifa abamanyi that we are perfect, but when we join hands, yeah, we can make the industry better. Make the industry better. So invite people. Invite people around, and we do talk. Yeah, we do talk. We shall have Miles in the building, so don't go off. Mumutegekereyo naye ebibuuzo. Mumutegekereyo ekibuuzo. Trex movies. Your accent. Oh, okay. You've gotten the answer. Thank you. If you have not understood, ask again. I'll repeat, or I can illustrate. Your accent is cool. My accent is good. Really? Make analysis from. Okay, I can use any time frame. If I decide to use 15, I'm going to stick to 15. If I decide to use 5, I'm going to stick to 5. If I stick to 1, I'm going to stick to 1. Sigenda kutagana. Hey Dev Forex, how are you? Hope you're good. Will BTC become 1 million, bro? I'm not so much into Bitcoin, bro. I'm not so much in Bitcoin. I'm so based in Forex. What? Motion. Okay. Yeah, so guys, you stay on, by the way. There is something we are going to so guys, you should all go to the live if you're not yet on the live. As we end, we are going to have Miles discussing for you how you can journal your trades, how you can become consistent just by following something. So we are going to give you a simple plan for you, free of charge today. So stick on the live. Call your friend. We are going to show you how best you can journal your trades, how you can come up with a plan, how you can follow the plan. So let's first get more people watching, because what is coming up is good for everybody. Every trader will be glad to hear such information. So invite more people, tap the screen, share it live. Hey, we shall have something good coming up. So Atariko, look at me. We are coming. After the questions, we are going to bring up something for you. So Avako, hey. Oh, bum, bum, bum. Somebody saying, bro, tell me about that. For how long have I been in the markets? Ella, in my last comment, how long have you been in the markets? I'm about 3 years now. Yeah, 3 years now. Being serious, that is 3 years. Yeah, it's you. So 3 years, bro. Don't look at my time, look at yours now, because for you can even become you can be just months, but your what, your the helicopter in the background disrupts the sound. Helicopter tevudewa ne mukyalo ne helicopter tebagimanyi. The helicopter sona helicopter tevudewa maama. So share the live, tap the screen, share the live, tap the screen. Good things are coming at the end of the session. At the end of the session, good things are coming. Good things are coming. Yeah, copy in the background. So guys, YouTube, no questions. TikTok, I don't have questions. Should we call it a day? You're hearing funny sounds. Sure. What is it? Let me see. I think it is this charger. Wireless charging. Let me see. Sorry about the sound. Let me see what is wrong. Is it my microphone? You're going to tell me if it becomes clear. Sorry about the sound. Let me see. Where's my other microphone? Yeah. What about now? What about now? What about now? Am I clear? Am I clear? Somebody say I'm clear. Somebody say I'm clear. Is the sound good now? Has the helicopter went away? You still... Somebody tell me. Which sound is that? Which sound is that? Helicopter is still in. I mean, all my microphones are not good. Okay, what about now? What about now? What about now? What about now? Now I'm clear. Okay, let me use this one now. Okay, what they call is what they call it. Okay. Okay. I think the other one is what they call it. I know that technology gets tired. So category cover trading. If technology can get tired, I take but trades. So make sure you call it a day. Tofira ku market. Don't die on the market. Okay? Okay, let's continue toward the war. Where were we? Okay. Ready? Huh? Okay, so as we said, at the end we shall have some good presentation. So make sure beera ku alaba ne Airtel erina beera ku nawe beera ku. Okay, share the live. Share the live. Now it's clear, very good, loud. Thank you. Check out again. Okay. Yes. Okay. Share the live. We are going to give you some good plan coming up here. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live. Share the live. You're going to get some good risk. Good evening, host and everyone. Yes, success. You have brought us some success. High success. How are you success? Okay, let me first do away with these questions. Hello, which strategy do you use? I joined a bit late. Douglas, I use price action, breaks, and retest. Breakout and retest. Support and resistance, candlestick confirmations, news, those things. On 1 minute, 5 minute day trading, you be You be me, make setup over. You already open up trades. Timothy, 1 minute, 5 minutes, day trading. Okay, no. You're meaning the live trades, eh? That is live trading. We don't come when we have open trades. We make a setup, wait for now. Then as we execute, you will also be seeing. Yeah, you'll also be seeing. So that is live. We don't come when we have executed. We come make a setup together. Then uh okay. Okay, so that is live trading. If you follow our lives on YouTube, make sure you go and see how to follow the lives. Make sure you go and see how to follow the lives. That video is there. Okay. As I said, I have in the market. I have in the market is, I think you're meaning you've been in the market. You have been in the market. You've been here on the market, but you. So somebody is saying, I have, as I've said, I have been in the market for 2.6 years, but my skill ain't that good, I think. Yeah. So if you're seeing your skill is not yet improved, you're not making money, then seek extra help. We have mentors around. Look for somebody to teach you to improve your skill very fast. Mm. Okay, I think let me restart the thing again. If it is network, let me restart it. We come back. If not, uh, is it now clear? Is it now clear? I'm seeing I'm having good network. I didn't want you to miss this. I didn't want you to miss this today, because it will be great for you to know really how can you. Somebody told me, how do you grow a small account? I don't know if he's still on. How do you grow a small account? That's what this thing is going to answer. This thing here, the thing we are sharing right now. So I think I'm going to now dive in. Somebody's still saying no. Sona, how is the network? Because for you, I know you're on. Are you getting me well now? Network fire. Okay. That means it is good. Yeah. My network, I'm seeing it is well stable here. Network is stable. When you run the speed test, I see. Network is so stable. Okay. See the people to gain from it. There'll be the people to gain from it. So the question that is going to be answered is how to grow these small accounts. Your question. Okay. Your question is where? Type it again. Type it again. Kindly type it again, please. Sorry if I skipped it. But let's first dive into this. Okay. Then keep bringing the questions. Let me give you Miles to help you go. Let him go through that for you. Yeah. I'm also around here. Enjoy. 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 Okay. So hello. All your people to subscribe. I mean to follow up also. Good evening, good evening to you all. Hope you all moving up launch. Antarabika nangi. Mbera hiyo mu pola ngamba lava. So I'm gonna talk about like I'm gonna give you like a 3 months plan. Those people who say that how can you grow an account, what are those things? So first of all, after getting your strategy, after knowing that you have the entry point, you know where you know how to use the stop loss, those things. So after getting all those things, then you're going to come up with a plan. You'll be like, in 3 months time, I need to have like something. You find that some people over doing you can trade like on Monday you deposit, then by Tuesday you have already blown your account. So on a manual Tianti, you're only consistent trader. It's not good like when you're trading, you've learned. It's not good like to judge yourself with only one trade. Because you've taken one trade, you've blown your account, so ogenda gamba maybe the strategy is not what, it's not good. Kyalabo sanga omuntu agenda kukalero akozeko smart money ekyanonya simanya retail concept, so nga tali gundi naye nga tamanyi nti nno the thingy the breakout and retest yamukolera week number naye because aluzeko omulundi gumu agenda kukola atya, agenda kugivaako agenda anoonye ebirala. So when you're using this plan and you've gotten some mentorship, you've gotten a strategy, you know you have to place stop loss because those things are important. Ogenda kuyingira mu trade. When you're making your trading plan, strategy egenda okuwa take profit yo, egenda okuwa stop loss yo. So when you come on the charts, you know that when the market moves from here up to here, this is going to be my take profit. Then after seeing the take profit, you know what stop loss. Ogambe nti no, when things go bad, wawe ngenda okuvirayo. But some people ensobi gye bakola, you come on the charts, but when you're only looking at profits, ogenda kulaba nga market ekuba zikande enene, ogambe let me jump into this trade. But you're jumping into this trade in case it goes wrong. Where are you going to? Ogenda kuvira mu. So tolina byonna byonna bibera mu trading plan. So before you make a trade, you have to know that my take profit is here. In case things go wrong, I have to move away from here. You find that someone market emwadde profits nitamanyi wa kuvirayo. When am I supposed to take profits? So if you still have those kind of questions you're asking yourself, or wawe nina okuvirayo, then you see like nze ninamu experience in trading nzeeko naye nga tomanyi trade is going south going opposite, ogenda kuviiramu wa. If you know all of those things, how can you blow your account? So you find that omuntu woba blowing account omanya olina ky'omissing. If you've gotten a strategy, we normally give like those people that we teach, give them like 3 months okulaba mwegi emyezi esatu at least olina okubanga olina kyolagawo mu forex trading. Now like using this template, may can give you like a 3 months program
n'ogamba nti no, any amount that you're willing to start with, you've practiced okubyeddemu nawe ogyekakasa nti kati ki I've learned. So you're going to come on this template and then you say, how much money am I going to start with? You first soko posing or trading your account. Look for the knowledge. First practice it for like 1 month or kakasent in a year. I've known the entry points. I know that the market is going to move from here up to here. Stop loss in manuing and okujiteka. After that, when you're trading on them account, you're also looking for the amount of money. So gendo kutandika nazo. Ngochimanyi tino wanu ensimbula mba nsimbudde sigenda kuda mabega. So you say that, you know what, let me start with $100. When you start with $100, you're going to come on this template. Then you're going to say, when I'm starting, just a moment.
This is put on the num lock. You want to start with $100?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to give them like an example of $100. So you normally hear people saying that risk a percentage of your account, risk a percentage of your account. Risking percentage of your account. What are you meaning? So we're going to start with $100. $100. Then you say, let me risk like 5%. Mzungu agenda kugamba you are risking only 1% of the account. Ogambe yi bana basajja bo bakikola batya. Now if for you, because you've seen someone Philippines account at depositing $100 na taking up to 500, now ekyo yagala okukola oli muyiga. You have nothing to show in forex, so why would you want to go with such results? Sizizo tomanyi chaisemu, tomanyi experience ye. Those things zona kumpi ziberanga motivation. Olaba omuntu eya Philippines, all those things just kusudia. But when you're starting your journey, you have to go through the process. Tosobola kuskipinga. Ojja kusanga nti ogenda kudepositing $100 okole $500, then you'll be happy. Tomorrow you come back, you made $500, zona ozirozinge. So you're making money, but toyina growth. Tewali kiraga nti no oli kukola forex is changing your life. So if you're to do something like this, then you say, I'm starting with $100 account. I'm giving myself 3 months, and with that $100 account, in the first 30 days, let me say I'm going to risk like 5% of that account. So after getting the percentage that you're willing to risk, you say that I'm going to be risking 5% of the account. You're going to come on this spreadsheet. They're going to give you on the first day your equity is $100. Then this spreadsheet is going to give you like the amount of money you're supposed to do at the end of the day. You say data.Get is giving you $5. Ojja kusanga omuntu $5 agenda kubanga azala wagambe share. Nze bingize nze ndi legendalo. How can you tell me to make $5? You say
you.